How to get a high score on Block Blast. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be telling you guys a few strategies that you can use while playing Block Blast to uh, significantly boost your score. So the very first thing that you want to do is think ahead of time. So you just want to plan ahead on where you can fit your blocks, and after that you should be able to increase your score. The other thing that you want to note is to clear your board. So just make sure to keep your board balanced and clear so that it will be easier to score higher later on the game. So once you do that, the second thing that you have to keep on mind is the combos. So make sure to hit combos for multiple lines, which will significantly boost your score as well. And the other thing that you want to do is to avoid the gaps, because gaps can be tricky later on the game, which will hinder your performance. So make sure to clear the gaps early on and make sure you leave no gaps like these, and make sure to hit combos. So if you follow all of these, you should be able to hit high score on your block blast. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to your practice. So make sure to practice regularly to hit your high scores. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.